Nigeria's most healthy and special delicacy street food, courtesy Ponmo Ontherun. And I am your girl, your pal, your darling. And you know the vibe now. Your girl with a chop like Murayo. So today, guys, I'm on this street of food because we are trying. Guys, I'm about to taste it. I can't wait. Oh my god. Come with me, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, I never knew pork was this tasty. Oh my god. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm almost done my pork and I'm definitely going to order more because guys, I really enjoyed it. So before you order more, let me just wrap up the video, guys. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe on our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter, on Facebook and on Instagram. So we'll meet again and I know your girl, your pal, Murayo. Bye!